Hey, what's going on, Poke fans? Michael here, doing another booster pack opening battle styles. I did one earlier before this video, and it actually has me opening it and getting that Urshifu VMAX, which is really nice. Okay. There we go. Jeez. Alrighty. Steel Energy. Ooh, I called it. Alright. Alright, let's see what we got here. Luxio, Durant, Perugly, Mime. Ooh, an Aegislash normal rare? No way. Dude, we got an Necrozma V. Nice. Love it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Peace.